Folks, proud to bring in part one. It's gonna have to be quick because it's getting dark. 1963 Rambler Classic V8. Still has mostly the engine. Let's see if we get this here. There's what's left of the V8. But I don't know why they were taking it apart. Couldn't tell you. But again, it's getting dark, so I'll just go around this real quick. Arizona car. Very solid rockers. Really solid floors as well. Very complete. Shows about 35,000 on the odometer. Honestly, I don't know if it tripped over or if it's original. You never know. It only was on the road for about 10 years. Hey, kitty cat. The tailgate is right there with the glass. Hinges are broken right there. Apparently that's pretty common. But let's keep going. Luggage rack. A lot of surface rust. I think all the glass is actually pretty good, except for a small crack in the windshield. And, you know, leave the patina, get it mechanically nice, get it running, have a pretty badass ride. You're not going to see it every car show because it took Mother Nature about 50 years to do this for you, folks. There's your 63 Rambler Classic station wagon. And the video stops prematurely. I'm sorry. Just might be out of room space on my disc, on my card. But again, look, come back for part two. I'll have part two in a day or so on our YouTube page. But you can see, other than surface rust and what I call rust staining, it's a lot of stains. It's a very solid car. Fold down back seat. And that door doesn't want to open right now, of course. But that seat does fold up and down back there. I've had it up before. And a great car to fix up, restore, and call your own. Rockers. And again, thanks for looking. Come back for the other part. We got more stuff to show you in a couple days coming up. A lot more wagons. So stay tuned. And you can listen to some Skynyrd while you're at it. Kitty cat. You hungry, kitty? Yeah? Let's go eat. And here's your baby. Look, they like the Rambler. And if they like the Rambler, you know it's a great car. Thanks again. See you on the next one soon, folks. Wait, this one's not a 3 on the tree. This is an automatic. Holy cow, am I stupid. My other one's a 3 on the tree. Okay, we have a 64 coming up that's 3 on the tree. I'm so sorry. So this one's a nice V8 automatic car. Okay, stand corrected. We'll catch that on part 2 also, folks. Nice evening here in Tucson, by the way. So, to restate, 63 Rambler Wagon, automatic factory V8, underdash AC, if I'm not mistaken. No, oh, I think this did have AC. I think there's the AC lines right there, so I think it was underdash. Not that it really matters a whole boatload, but you know, because pretty much a lot of it's missing. Radio's missing. floors. It's hard to tell in this light, but I think most of the floors are still really solid. Thanks to Arizona. Thanks to Arizona. See you on the next one, folks. Got more coming. Just a little teaser. They're all coming up. Hey guys. Okay. In this car, you couldn't be any more simple, could you? Undisputed simple. Underrated simple.